Just do your best.
I am happy for you.
How can I be happy?
You must always think positive.
Can you show it to me?
I will show you later.
Can you do it alone?
I think I can.
Is there any work?
There is a lot of work.
How long will it take?
I have no idea.
Who will you go with?
I'll go by myself.
Who are those people?
They are my friends.
Where do you work?
I'm unemployed right now.
Is there a shop nearby?
Yes, it is right there.
Do you have it?
I don't have it.
Why do you live alone?
I have no other choice.
Did I do something wrong?
It wasn't your fault.
How was your day?
I had a wonderful day.
Why don't you say something?
Nothing happened.
Why don't you talk to me?
I don't want to talk to anyone.
Why don't you talk to her?
She wants to talk with you.
Then what do you like?
I don't like anything.
What kind of person are you?
I am just kidding.
What day is it today?
Today is Saturday.
Is it your holiday today?
I am not free today.
When are you coming?
I am coming on Monday.
Are we going for a walk today?
No, I don't have time today.
So when to go?
We will go tomorrow.
How did it happen?
It happened by mistake.
Where did it happen?
It happened in Canada.
When did it happen?
It happened last Saturday.
Why did it happen?
It happened because of you.
What happened to your hand?
I fell down the stairs.
You have to take rest for some time.
Thank you for your advice.
How long have you known her?
We have known each other since childhood.
Have you been to Texas?
No, I have never been there.
Do you know where he lives?
I have no idea.
Who were you talking to?
I was talking to my friend.
Tell me, who is your friend?
All of them.
Is he your boyfriend?
No, I am single right now.
Won't you tell me?
You focus on your own work.
How long can I keep this?
As long as you want.
Do you need it right now?
Return it as soon as possible.
Where did you get it?
I brought it from a new store.
Who tells you such things?
I learned them myself.
Since when has Harry not come home?
Since last night.
Who are you with?
I am with my friends.
I am trying my best.
Don't let me down.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling better than before.
Are you tired?
Yes, I'm a little tired.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not hungry.
Thanks for asking.
No problem at all.
When did you see her?
A few days back.
Who did you see her with?
I saw her with a boy.
Are you sure it was her?
I am completely sure.
Are you still suspicious of me?
No, I just want to know.
When did you come back?
I just arrived yesterday.
Do you know him?
I know him well.
How do you know him?
I know him through my friend.
What else do you know about him?
That's all I know about him.
What would you do if you were in my place?
I would do the same as you did.
Is what he said true?
I can't say for sure.
What else did he tell you?
He told me not to trust anyone.
How long have you been feeling unwell?
It's been a week.
Who told you I'm not feeling well?
Your friend said that.
What else do you know?
That is all I know.
Who is the man standing outside?
I have never seen him before.
Why did you let him come here?
I didn't call him here.
Where will you go now?
I haven't thought about it.
Who knows about this?
I haven't told anyone about it.
Did you eat anything?
No, I am fasting.
Whose party are we going to?
We are going to her birthday party.
How did the thieves escape?
The thieves were too cunning.
Why didn't you tell me?
You are not a trustworthy person.
How many lies have you told her?
It had to be done.
Do you still go to visit him?
I only go sometimes.
Did he go home?
Yes, he left a while ago.
Is he your brother?
No, he is my friend.
Will you complete the work on time?
I can't say for sure.
How long will we stay here?
We will stay here for a week.
Is breakfast ready?
It will be ready soon. Be patient.
How is the weather today?
It is very pleasant.
Can we go there again?
We'll go if the situation arises.
Why did you take so long?
I had a lot of work.
Why do you always complain?
Do it yourself if you think it is easy.
Is it really that hard?
Find it out yourself.
Will you give her my message?
I will give it to her if I meet her.
Can't we go somewhere else?
We need to complete our work.
Whose pen are you using?
This pen is mine.
Did you like my plan?
Your plan will not work.
Did you do the dishes?
I will do the dishes later.
Where do they live?
You can call them and ask.
Does he work here?
I haven't ever seen him before.
Did he find out the truth?
No, he still doesn't know.
When did you start doing this?
I started doing it 2 years ago.